like to start off with rolling the back muscles. Let me show you.
I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy. Yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration. 'Cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too.
The speed of the foam rolling, you want it to go relatively slow, but you don't want it to be so slow that it feels like it would take forever to go go through the motion. It should be continuous, but just slow, kind of how I've showed you. The tennis ball, I use specifically for the glutes area, so let me show you how to do that.
It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away.
It's a little bit hard to see, but what I did was I opened my hips, as you saw, and I placed the ball right underneath my glutes, and with the open hips, it exposes a certain area of the glutes that this digs into, and that's going to really open up.
I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way.
For the hips, you don't want to roll it. You just want to put it in the right position and just let it slowly dig into the muscle and the fascia and release it. I would spend about 3 minutes. So like a minute and a half on one side and a minute and a half on the other side. And that's it, very simple. You don't need to do more than that. If you do this every day along with your stretches, it's going to really just overall help you feel better. Always end the stretching and the foam rolling with just hanging from your pull-up bar and let all your muscles kind of, they've been stretched, they've been, worked on with the foam rolling and everything, and then the last thing you want to do is just let them elongate and let your joints relax. So it's a great way to finish a stretching routine.
Bet you